Last Minute Custom Cruise is about the world's worst master cylinder. We've got a rebuild kit, but we've got to get the old one out. Circlips hold this in, but we've got to get, I mean, look at the corrosion on this. The idiot that's had it should have put grease on there because there's a rubber boot over the top, or rubber grease, but obviously didn't. So you can see now, the problem is if we,
That's just like
is
rust
it the rust
seized.
stopping it coming out?
It's rust
Isn't it?
seized in there.
Yeah, might be better off getting some wet and drying there, you know. Do you know what I mean? See if we can smooth that out so it actually comes out.
Rough
Yeah,
as
I know, it's
fuck.
fucking terrible, isn't it? And also, all this shit was caused because some dickhead, the only word to describe him, used fucking .4 in it. Which, unfortunately, these are .5. It might actually need a new master cylinder, mightn't it? If we can't clean it up.
It depends how it's
If it'll come out.
in the channel, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Well, yeah. And also, there's any damage in there as well, isn't it? But up to now, the simple fact that every single master cylinder, its hydraulic clutch and hydraulic brake have all been used the wrong fluid, and this rear brake as well. You've got to be looking £200 worth of parts up to now just because of one fucking idiot that's worked on this.